Target Math is a daily, teacher-led math routine built on the science of what makes learning stick. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, students preview, practice, and review skills so that over the period of 2 weeks, they spiral through every math standard for their grade level, building a solid math foundation. This isn't busy work. It's the moment when things really start to click. Target Math is built for whole group instruction. It fits easily into carpet time, morning meeting, as a bell ringer, or as a wrap-up. Choose what works best for you. Just be consistent, and you'll see how this tiny habit reaps really big results over time. The goal is simple: a short, consistent practice that builds strong number sense, deeper understanding of the standards, and cultivates confident mathematicians. Little by little, you'll see that a little becomes a lot. Start by logging into your Lone Star Learning dashboard. Visit lonestarlearning.com. Hit the subscriber button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Now, log in using your email and the password you've been sent, or by using your Google, Clever, or ClassLink account. Once logged in, you'll find your Target Math product card. You'll see 3 buttons on the bottom of this card: Downloads for printable classroom resources, Tutorials for extra support, and Start Program, your daily go-to button to begin your daily routine. Before your first day, be sure to print your downloads. These will include teacher instructions and tips, student think sheets if you want your students to record answers, plus valuable bonus resources like number cards and 10 frames. Put these up where students can easily see and use them. They're more than just decorations. They'll help you teach. Once inside your program, you'll see that Target Math is organized into 2-week sets. Each set has 10 colors. You'll complete 1 color per day. Simply work your way through day by day. Your program will track your daily progress. You'll see a gold star for each day that you have completed. Select the day's set and color, then project it on your board for the class. Let's start at square one. Set 1, gold. Each day starts with 3 quick spiraled activities: A, B, and C. These activities help students preview, practice, and review key skills. You'll find that these activities often intentionally mix skills. This forces students to practice choosing strategies instead of just plugging and chugging. For each letter, read the instructions, model your thinking out loud, and guide the students through each question. Use the digital tools on the bottom right to write student responses. Encourage student talk, choral response, and hands-on thinking with fingers, drawings, and manipulatives. Click the Think About It at the bottom of the screen to access vocabulary support. Think About It pairs visuals with math language to help students make connections and explain their thinking. On some activities, you'll also find interactive tools such as 10 frames and rekenreks to help students model and explain their reasoning. Within Target Math, you'll see a variety of interactive question types, including multi-select, drag and drop, and quick recall. These formats keep students actively engaged and strengthen focus, strategy selection, and fluency. After completing the work for each letter, select the Answer button for immediate feedback. For questions where answers may vary, this button will not be clickable. After completing A, B, and C, the next activity is Number of the Week. Students will explore the same number all week to build a strong number sense. They will see it, say it, write it, move it, build it, and spot it in real life. Start each day with a quick connection to yesterday's learning. Keep the routine short, interactive, and consistent. This repeated exposure builds flexible thinking around numbers. Finish your session with Name That Number for fast number recognition and building subitizing skills. Here's how to use Name That Number. First, choose your representation. From the menu, select which representations you want the students to see. Options include base 10 blocks, fingers, standard numbers, 10 frames, or rekenreks. You can choose as many of these as you'd like to work with. Then, set your number range. Pick the numbers you want to focus on, either numbers up to 10 or numbers up to 20. Now, decide if you want the numbers shown in order or randomized. It's time to pick your play mode. Would you like the cards to autoplay, or would you like to manually click using the arrows on the side? And finally, it's the student's turn. Hit Get Started and you're ready to go. Students will call out the number that matches the representation shown. You can do this quarterly, round robin, show the answer, or alternate day by day. Just find what works for you. Just a minute or two of this activity helps students quickly recognize quantities at a glance. For the first few weeks, Target Math will be mostly teacher-led. As students become more confident, invite them to help guide the daily routine. Some teaching tips. Throughout the activities, keep students talking, moving, and showing their thinking. Use manipulatives, drawings, and gestures as you model strategies, and refer often to the posted number cards and 10 frames so students can learn to use these resources strategically. Remember, the goal is active participation and consistent retrieval. Some tools to know. Students will use tools like 10 frames and rekenreks to see numbers in groups of 5 and 10. For 10 frames, always place the first counter in the top left corner, moving across the top row and then down to the second row. For rekenreks, slide beads to show the numbers. The top row shows 5 red beads and 5 white beads. Students can move the beads one by one or in groups of 5 to quickly see the quantities. These visual patterns help students subitize, compose numbers, and make 10 with confidence. Well, that's it. It really is as easy as ABC. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, Target Math spirals every math standard, strengthens every math muscle through retrieval, spacing, and interleaving, and it builds confident mathematicians with daily feedback. So open today's color, guide the routine, and let's see those small daily moments stack into real, remarkable growth.